Alright, so what you got?
Pocket stats.
Pretty much, yeah. Okay.
Alright. Weird.
Alright, so what are you gonna do to trigger it?
I'm just gonna push this end down
Okay.
to make it easier to pull this out. I'm gonna pull it out, let it go like that. Then when I'm ready, I'm gonna let go of this side and make sure I move my thumb out the way. And good.
There we go. Alright, now how do you put it back together?
So you basically unthread it. It's a little difficult still, but flip it around. Unthread it as if you're trying to take it apart and just push it in.
So are you trying to tighten it or loosen it?
Loosen, unthread, almost like as if you're taking it apart.
There you go. I am kind of zooming in a little bit to.
This is the hardest part, it's the end.
So what's that thing that you're holding in your left hand?
There's the pin right here. There we go. I'm done.
Alright, just get a little bit closer on it. Alright. So what's the significance of this pin on the back side here with that eyelet?
So that's actually what keeps it from going forward.
Let's turn around a little bit so we see the back side. Yeah, there we go. Alright. So how does that actually, once you activate it, which way does each component actually go?
So it'll literally flip like that, and this side will just be dangling now,
There we go.
which I could do real quick.
Yeah, show that part. Yep, there we go.
See? This all wants to come back because I'm pushing on it.
Oh my goodness.